Hey No Mediocre family and new viewers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. In today's video we'll be unboxing a device called WISHLUCK. WISHLUCK. Yes guys, this is a device that we'll be unboxing. I recently got this device and I'm very excited to try it out. I've never used it before. I'm excited to use it, as I said before, but I didn't want to use it without showing you guys how it looks. Yes, so this is a device, and as the name suggests, WISHLUCK, it may make some of your wishes come true. Yeah, that sounds corny, but yeah. With this device, it has a lot of features, but you know what, I'm not going to tell you right away. We're going to unbox it and discover them together. All right, so let's get right into it. Firstly, let me say I really admire how they packaged it. I selected the black. They have several colors. So the black was the one which I liked. So what exactly is an ultrasonic cleaner? It is a device that uses ultrasonic sound waves to clean objects. This is how it works. The cleaner consists of a tank that is filled with a cleaning solution, usually water mixed with a suitable solvent or detergent. Smells new. The tank has ultrasonic transducers attached to it. These transducers convert electrical energy into high-frequency sound waves, typically between 20 kHz and 40 kHz. When the device is turned on, the ultrasonic waves create microscopic bubbles in the cleaning solution through a process called cavitation. These bubbles form and collapse rapidly. The impulsion of these bubbles produces tiny shock waves that dislodge dirt, grime, and contaminants from the surfaces of the objects being cleaned. This process can reach into small crevices and complex geometries that are difficult to clean by other methods. Ultrasonic cleaners are used in a variety of fields, including medical and dental instrument cleaning, jewelry cleaning, cleaning of delicate electronic components, automotive parts, and industrial applications. Ultrasonic cleaners are valued for their ability to clean thoroughly and efficiently without damaging the items being cleaned. So we have the manual, and it's basically showing us that this device can be used to clean like your glasses, makeup brushes. So this is really good for people who are into doing makeup, like makeup artists and so forth. Great for cleaning your jewelry, which I really like that, because I have a few jewelry that maybe need some cleaning, and I'm the type of person who normally just bring my jewelry to the jewelry store to have it cleaned. So the fact that I have this ultrasonic cleaning machine, I'm pretty excited. So alright, we're gonna plug it in now and test it out. I'm gonna plug the power cord right here. Let me take this stuff out. Look at that, powered on. Ooh, okay, so you can change the color of the light. That's awesome. So the green, red is actually my favorite color. This is a pretty color as well. We have the white, blue, green. Yeah, let's let it stay at purple. Do you like purple? Which color is your favorite? Or let's just go back to green, because green was pretty as well. Alright, so regarding the brightness of the light, you can turn it down, so that's the lowest, and you can level it up to level 1 and level 2. It can't go any brighter than that. Level 1, level 2. Regarding the clock, you can set 2 alarms. Is that what it's saying right here? Yes, alarm 1 and alarm 2. That's awesome. So you can set 2 times that you want to alarm in the morning. If you know that you can't wake up at 5 a.m., still set it for 5 a.m. and set the next alarm maybe for 6 a.m. Alright, so we're gonna have to figure out how to set the alarm. Alright. And the date we also need to change because today is not Thursday, but we'll figure that out later. Alright. So to use the ultrasonic chamber, we have to pour water inside because that's how it works, right? So we're gonna get some water and pour it in. According to the manual, you should let the item sit for around like 3 minutes. We got these things with the machine as well. I assume that you can like put your jewelry on top, or you can maybe use it like to hold down, maybe if you have like a retainer. If you're putting like a retainer inside, maybe you can use this thing to hold it down so that it doesn't like float up. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. I need to read the manual thoroughly. All right. And so I have 2 things here that I want to get clean. I have this sunglasses. I haven't worn it in a while, but I know it needs some cleaning. So let's inspect it right now. So we can look at the before. All right. Let's inspect it. Inspect the creases. Let's get this camera to focus. All right. So this is the before of the glasses. All right. So take note of it. Take note of it. I am also taking note of it because I want to see how well this thing works. I've never used it before. As a matter of fact, I recently heard of ultrasonic cleaner. So all right. It's a better focus. This is how the glasses looks. All right. So we're going to put this inside. Additionally, I have this necklace which I've never cleaned before. I got this necklace when I was in high school. So I'm also going to put it in. I hardly wear this necklace, reason being it's so delicate. Very delicate. It broke from me once when I was lying down on the carpet, and since then I was like, I'm not going to really wear this, it's too delicate. But anyway, I realized it needs a bit of cleaning. So not sure if you can see what I'm seeing, but yeah, it needs to clean. So I'm going to clean both it and the glasses. Alright, so I'm going to put it in one side. I'm going to put the glasses in. According to the manual, cleaning time should be around like 3 minutes, which is ordinary cleaning, and 5 minutes for deep cleaning. So we're going to pour some water in now. Let me turn the glasses this way. Turn it this way so it's fully immersed. Yeah. Alright. So this is us conducting our little experiment. Alright, so we're going to do 3 minutes. Not going to do any deep cleaning. Alright, so the timer. Hold down on this. So that's 3 minutes. And it has started, guys. Are you hearing that? So we're going to use this. So let's take a peek at what's going on inside. You hearing that sound? Anyway, let's leave it. I can hear like it's, well, I don't feel like it's vibrating, but it's the sound is like when your phone is vibrating. I guess it will automatically stop when it reaches 3 minutes, even before I finished my sentence. So 3 minutes is up. All right, so let's see what it looks like. So I wonder if the water is warm. Let me test. No, it's not. Anyway, let's have a look. We can see some impurities in the water. Maybe that's just from the glasses, maybe having like dirt. Do you see any difference? Kinda. But right here, right here, I guess it could be a bit cleaner. Check that out. Let's look at the front. It looks clean. But maybe right here really needs a bit of deep cleaning. These areas right here. Because I've never cleaned these glasses before, to be honest. Anyway, let's check out the necklace. Get something, maybe let's put on this. I tell you, this necklace is so delicate. Alright, oh, the necklace looks a lot better to me. Not sure if you can note the difference, but not sure if you can note the difference, but it definitely cleaned this necklace. Check it out. I mean, if you can remember how it looked before, you will definitely note the difference, because I definitely can see the difference. Yes, much cleaner. Yeah, this thing actually works. It works. It definitely works. Regarding the glasses, I'll give it 3 more minutes. How about that? You want us to do that? Or not 3 minutes. Let's give it 2 more minutes, since they say the deep cleaning should be 5 minutes, and we have already given it like 3 minutes. So let's give it 3 more minutes. All right, let's start this again. And 3 minutes has begun. If you look closely, let me zoom in for you. You can see the vibration of the water. Check that out. So that's how it works, guys. Let me turn down the brightness of the light so you can see even better. Are you seeing that? Look at the wave of the water. Yep, that's how it works. Let's close it and give it some time. Alright guys, so our glasses is through cleaning. So I was reading the manual, guys, and I realized that how I had placed the glasses before was the wrong way. I shouldn't place it like this. I should place it with the frame facing upward. Alright, and the manual also said that after cleaning in the ultrasonic cleaner, we should rinse the items under tap water. Anyway, let's look at our glasses to see if it looks even better. Definitely looks a lot better. I don't think I can really get rid of the color off this plastic thing right here, because plastic in general over time, like, the color changes, and I've had this Ray-Bans like going 4 years now. Yeah, so kind of expected. I love it. Yeah, I think this ultrasonic cleaner did a great job. I'm just going to rinse them off now in the tap water and clean this up, throw away the water. So yeah. So on the inside of the device, there is a maximum mark, which basically is an indication to show you that you should not let the solvent, which is like the water, which you pour inside of it, you should not let it pass this mark. All right. So ensure you take note of this when you get yours. Do not let it pass the max mark. So our experiment with the WISHLUCK ultrasonic cleaning device was a success. Wouldn't you say that? Yeah man, it was a success. And what I must say is that this WISHLUCK device would be a perfect gift for anyone. It's suitable for those people who wear jewelry, who wear dentures, retainers, use makeup brushes, just about anyone it's suitable for. And I am happy I have this WISHLUCK device. I would say go and get it. Yeah, go and get it. Not only is it a great cleaning device, but I like the fact that it's handy in terms of it being a clock, right? Tells you the date and time. I mean, yes, we have our phone can use, but come on, this is like a perfect clock to put right at your bedside table. Wouldn't you agree? Yeah man. And it also tells the temperature. It's awesome. I know you will have to get it yourself to see exactly what I'm talking about, but when you do get it, make sure that you read the manual. There's also a 1-year warranty once you purchase the item. And additionally, what I wanted to say was that you can also add detergents to it. All of that which I'm saying is in the manual. It says in the manual that you can add 1 to 2 drops of cleaning detergents in the water, if that case where you have like items which are stubborn and the stain it's just sitting there when you just use the water. So you can add detergent to it as well. But yeah man, that's all I have to say for now. Go and get your WISHLUCK ultrasonic cleaning device. I showed you how it works. I showed you that it works. Alright, so it's not like I show you the device and I'm telling you all these things. I showed you that it works. You saw where it did the magic for my Ray-Bans and also my necklace. So come on now, what are you waiting on? Go and get it. I'll leave the link in the description, and also I'll leave it in the comment section. I'll pin it, alright? So again, get your WISHLUCK device. According to the manual, bling bling your life in WISHLUCK. Bling bling your life. Go and get your WISHLUCK. Let your wish come true. Alright guys, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Go and get your WISHLUCK ultrasonic cleaning device. See you on the next video.